What does it feel like to drive a vehicle so rare that you might never see another one like it on the road? With production numbers limited to just a few dozen units per year, these exclusive 4x4 camper vans aren't just transportation. They're collector's items that happen to take you to the world's most remote destinations. Number 7. Off-Highway Van Doc Holliday. Priced at a staggering $169,999,000 for the base camp model and climbing all the way to $249,999,000 for the Pro X, the Off-Highway Van Doc Holliday is where our countdown begins. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, this family-friendly 4x4 camper offers something rare in the adventure vehicle world: legitimate sleeping space for 5 or more people, depending on your configuration. What makes this vehicle stand out is its remarkable versatility. Available in both 140-inch and 170-inch wheelbase options, the Doc Holliday can be tailored to prioritize either maneuverability or interior living space, depending on your adventure style. Let's talk about what matters for families hitting the road: the innovative sleeping arrangements. The signature Rambler seat is a true engineering marvel, a 3-person, fully belted seat that effortlessly converts into a queen-size bed, comfortably sleeping either 2 adults or 3 children. The kitchen setup rivals what you'd find in many modern apartments, with an 85-liter isotherm 12-volt refrigerator, an 1800-watt single-burner induction cooktop, and solid surface countertops surrounding a flush-mount sink. The Series A aluminum cabinetry provides ample storage while keeping weight to a minimum. For those concerned about off-grid capabilities, the Doc Holliday delivers in spades. The base camp model features a 4.2 kilowatt 12-volt lithium power system with 330 watts of integrated solar, while the Pro model doubles your electrical capacity with an 8.4 kilowatt 48-volt system. When it comes to conquering challenging terrain, this machine is seriously equipped. The Darkstar Off-Road Coilover Suspension, or optional Invictus 2.65-inch suspension kit, transformed the Mercedes chassis into a true off-road performer. Number 6. Winnebago Revel 4x4. Since its introduction in 2017, the Revel has been the turnkey adventure machine for those who'd rather spend time exploring than building. Just write a check, turn the key, and the adventures begin. For 2025, Winnebago has given this popular model a significant update focused on one key goal: enabling true week-long off-grid stays without retreating to civilization. Priced at $245,000, over $20,000 more than previous models, the 2025 Revel represents a serious investment. But what exactly does that investment get you? For starters, the Revel is built on the updated 2024 Mercedes-Benz 144 4x4 Sprinter chassis, measuring just under 20 feet tip to tail. Power comes from a proven 211 horsepower 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine paired with a smooth 9-speed gearbox. With a 5,000-pound towing capacity and optional performance wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich tires, this van is ready for adventure straight from the factory. The 2025 model addresses one of the biggest challenges in overland travel: electrical capacity. The internal battery bank now doubles to an 8.4 kilowatt pack fed by a 220-watt rooftop solar array. For true week-long off-grid capability, buyers can option a second battery, bringing the total to an impressive 16.8 kilowatt hours of storage, enough to power your devices, lighting, and climate control for extended periods away from hookups. Water capacity also sees a major upgrade, with the freshwater tank expanding to 35 gallons, nearly double the previous capacity. The gray water tank grows to 21 gallons, while the cassette toilet holds 5 gallons of waste. The signature motorized bed remains, snugging up to the ceiling when not in use to create an impressive garage space for gear storage. Inside, you'll find thoughtful improvements like an enhanced kitchen setup designed for both indoor and outdoor cooking, a simplified door system on the wet bathroom that now includes a mirror, and upgraded passenger seats with individual recline capabilities. Number 5. Gresh RV Strata Ion. The starting price of $269,900 for the rear-wheel drive model and $279,900 for the all-wheel drive version, the Strata Ion is clearly aimed at adventurers for whom budget is not the primary concern. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 XD 170-inch extended high-roof chassis, this 24-foot luxury apartment on wheels offers remarkable versatility with 2 available floor plans: the Tour and Lounge, accommodating up to 7 or 8 passengers. Power comes from Mercedes' refined 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, delivering 208 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The available air suspension system delivers a ride quality that rivals luxury SUVs. But it's the interior where the Strata Ion truly shines. The ultra-leather rear seating surfaces and memory foam power sofa bed create a comfortable living space, while Swiss Chrono hardwood cabinets with radius doors add a touch of elegance rarely found in adventure vehicles. The soft-touch walls and headliner combined with solid surface countertops, create an ambiance more akin to a high-end condo than a camper van. The kitchen area impresses with a 2-burner induction cooktop, combo microwave, convection, air fryer, and refrigerator freezer combo. Entertainment options are equally impressive with a 24-inch LED smart TV, premium soundbar, and pre-wiring for satellite television. The wet bath features a private enclosed space with a window and privacy shade, molded sink with vanity mirror, handheld shower head, and ceramic toilet with foot flush. Enjoying these incredible limited edition adventure machines so far? Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our community. Now let's continue our countdown with 4 more extraordinary 4x4 camper vans. Number 4, Gresh RV Turismo Ion. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 144-inch high-roof chassis, the Turismo Ion packs remarkable luxury into a more manageable 19.5-foot package, making it ideal for those who want to access tighter trails and urban parking spots without sacrificing premium features. Power comes from the same 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine found in the Strata Ion, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. It's available in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations. Step inside and you're greeted with the same high-end finishes as its larger sibling: ultra-leather seating surfaces, Swiss Chrono hardwood cabinets, soft-touch walls and headliner, and premium quartz countertops with a farmhouse-style sink. The memory foam power sofa bed provides a comfortable sleeping space for 2 adults. The kitchen features a combo microwave, convection, air fryer, 2-burner induction cooktop, and refrigerator freezer combo. All the essentials for preparing meals on the road. Entertainment options include a 24-inch LED smart TV with Blu-ray DVD player and premium soundbar system. Despite its more compact dimensions, the Turismo Ion doesn't skimp on bathroom facilities, featuring a private enclosed wet bath with a window and privacy shade, molded sink with vanity mirror, handheld shower head, and ceramic toilet with foot flush. The water system provides 16 gallons of fresh water, 26 gallons of gray water capacity, and 13 gallons of black water storage, respectable numbers for a vehicle of this size. The Turismo Ion proves that sometimes smaller can be better, especially when you want to venture where larger rigs simply can't go. Number 3, Integra Coach Launch 19Y. Taking our third spot is a vehicle that combines premium comfort with serious off-road capabilities. The Integra Coach Launch 19Y, priced at $246,375. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 all-wheel drive chassis, the Launch 19Y stands out with its aggressive stance and purpose-built off-road equipment. Standard BF Goodrich all-terrain tires mounted on black aluminum wheels make a statement about this van's intentions before you even step inside. Power comes from Mercedes' 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, producing 211 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The all-wheel drive system provides confidence on challenging terrain, while the 5,000-pound toy capacity ensures you can bring along additional toys for your adventures. The Launch 19Y features several unique elements that set it apart from other luxury camper vans. The innovative drop-down overhead bed measuring 49 by 79 inches with a 750-pound capacity provides comfortable sleeping quarters while maximizing daytime living space. The kitchen area is well equipped with a portable induction cooktop, 3 cubic foot DC refrigerator, stainless steel sink, and Technoform pull-out kitchen countertop extension. The all-in-one wet bath includes a shower and cassette toilet, along with thoughtful details like a removable bamboo shelf and retractable clothesline. Climate control is handled by a Timberline hydronic heating system with LED touchscreen control and a powerful 13,500 BTU 48-volt Coleman Mach 10 air conditioner, ensuring comfort in any weather conditions. The exterior features enhance the adventure-ready nature of this vehicle with a carefree armless patio awning with LED light strip and wind sensor, double roof rack with movable ladder, and wind deflectors with a front LED light bar. Number 2, Off-Highway Van Davy Jackson. Named after an early North American explorer, the Davy Jackson blends the comfort of luxury hotel room with the durability and capability needed for serious off-grid adventures. Available in 2 primary lengths, the more maneuverable 19 feet 6-inch 144 wheelbase and the more spacious 22 feet 9-inch 170 wheelbase, this van can be extensively customized to match your specific adventure style. The signature feature of the Davy Jackson is its innovative Mod Pod system, a versatile module that converts between belted seating for 2, a cafe seating area with a removable lagoon table, and an additional bed. This flexible design allows the interior space to adapt to your changing needs throughout the day. The construction features aluminum wall panels and dual-layer insulation for temperature regulation, while premium marine-grade flooring provides durability and easy cleaning. The 3-zone dimmable LED lighting creates that perfect ambiance for any situation. The kitchen area impresses with a 130-liter 12-volt stainless drawer refrigerator, a single-burner induction cooktop with dual-burner options available, hardwood composite countertops, and an undermount sink with a pull-down faucet. Some models even offer an outdoor fold-down counter for preparing meals in the fresh air. Sleeping arrangements include a removable aluminum queen bed frame with a 5-inch memory foam mattress, often complemented by convertible sleeper sofas for additional guests. Power systems are equally impressive, with options including 4.2 kilowatts or 8.4 kilowatt lithium batteries, 330 watt or 360 watt solar panels, and 3,000 watt inverters. Off-road capabilities are enhanced with BF Goodrich AT tires, Method Race wheels, Dark Star off-road suspension upgrades, including lift kits and coilover systems, and optional limited slip differentials. Skid plate kits provide crucial undercarriage protection, while winches offer peace of mind in challenging situations. The Davy Jackson is the perfect choice for scenic route takers, empty nesters, retirees, and glampers who desire the comforts of home while exploring off the beaten path. Number 1. Off-Highway Van Sundance Kid. Taking our top spot is the ultimate expression of luxury off-road travel, the Off-Highway Van Sundance Kid. With a base price starting around $174,999 for the 144 wheelbase model and significantly higher for fully equipped versions, the Sundance Kid represents the pinnacle of custom 4x4 camper van design. Named after the famous outlaw, this van embodies the spirit of freedom and adventure, with a particular focus on efficient space utilization and ample storage. What sets the Sundance Kid apart from our number 2 pick, and indeed all other vans on our list, is its remarkable attention to the needs of digital nomads, traveling workers, and those with extensive gear for activities like biking, climbing, and skiing. The signature feature that distinguishes the Sundance Kid is its innovative sleeper sofa. Located at the foot of the master bed, this convertible cafe seating area transforms into a secondary bed for guests while providing valuable additional storage underneath. Perfect for those who travel with specialized equipment. Available in both the compact 144 wheelbase and the more spacious 170 wheelbase, the Sundance Kid emphasizes smart space utilization. The shorter model often features a hidden toilet to maximize usable area, while the longer version typically offers cafe seating adjacent to the sleeper sofas, creating a larger area for relaxing or remote work. Like its sibling, the Davy Jackson, the Sundance Kid is built on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis with all-wheel drive, offering the perfect combination of on-road comfort and off-road capability. The construction quality is exceptional, with Duralite aluminum wall panels, dual-layer thin-slate insulation, and durable Lonseal marine-grade flooring. The kitchen features the same high-quality components found in the Davy Jackson, including stainless drawer refrigerators, induction cooktops, and hardwood composite countertops. Power and water systems are equally impressive, with multiple lithium battery options, solar panels, inverters, and ample fresh and gray water capacity. Off-road performance is enhanced by premium tires, wheels, suspension upgrades like the Evictus system, and protective skid plates. The exterior features roof racks with integrated light bars, LED bumper lights, tire carriers, side ladders, and power awnings. Everything you need for extended adventures far from civilization. And there you have it, our countdown of the 7 most exclusive, limited edition 4x4 camper vans for 2025. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with more amazing content like this. And let us know in the comments which of these incredible machines you'd choose if money were no object.